Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Day to Success Made in India. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you circles chapter, super speed shortcut tips, tricks, solution. It will come within fraction of seconds, especially made for you, my dear students. Today I am going to directly question. Locate the position of the point p1 comma 5 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Now I wanted to write given point px1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 5. Next given circle, let it be write as s is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3. If you wanted to find locate the position, you wanted to remember my logic. It is very easy. S11 we wanted to find S11. So S11 आने के लिए x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सिंप्लीफाई करना. S11 రావాలంటే x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి. సో నౌ I wanted to find S11 is equal to substituting x is x1 square, next y is y1 plus y1 square minus 2 into x1 minus 4 into y1 plus 3. Now S11 value is equal to x1 is 1, so 1 square plus y1 square, y1 value is 5, y1 square value 5 square minus 2 into x1 value 1 minus 4 into y1 value is 5 plus 3. Normal simplification, 1 square is 1 plus 5 square, 5 5s are 25 minus 2 1s are 2 minus 4 5s are 20 plus 3. S11 value is equal to 1 plus 25 is 26, 26 plus 3 is 29. These two values are having negative symbol. Minus 2 minus 20 is minus 22. So 29 minus 22 is equal to 27. 27 is greater than 0. So greater than 0 means now I am presenting a diagram. Greater than 0, S11 is greater than 0 means outside the circle p1 comma 5 lies outside the circle or exterior. Exterior means outside. Now I wanted to write last the given point p1 comma 5 is outside the circle. S11 greater than 0 means outside the circle. Already I uploaded previously S11 is less than 0. S11 is less than 0 means inside of the circle. Okay, if it is less than 0 inside of the circle, already I uploaded a previous problem, previous video. You can check, go through previous playlist. Next one more similar model question, my dear students. Locate the position of the point p2 comma minus 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Aims Day to Success super speed shortcut tips tricks solution within 10 seconds, especially made for you. Now I want to write given point px1 comma y1 is equal to 2 comma minus 1, and the given circle, let it be written as s is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3. Now locate the position. We wanted to find locate the position means you can remember S11. So our logic is to find locate the position. You can remember S11. So S11 means put x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1. Substituting here we get S11 is x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 3. Next I wanted to substitute x1 and y1 values here. We get s11 is equal to x1 value is 2, x1 square is 2 square, plus y1 value is minus 1, y1 square value minus 1 whole square, minus 2 into x1 value 2 minus 4 into y1 value is minus 1 plus 3. Normal simplification, my dear students, we get s11 is equal to 2 square is 4 plus minus 1 whole square, minus 1 into minus 1, minus to the power even number it becomes plus 1 square is 1, minus 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 4 1s are 4 plus 3, plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. We get s11 is equal to 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 is greater than 0. Here I am presenting a diagram. S11 greater than 0 means outside the circle. The given point P2 comma minus 1 is outside the circle. Therefore, the given point P2 comma minus 1 is outside the circle. Outside or exterior, any one same meaning, exterior or outside the circle. Next one more similar model question, my dear students. Locate the position of the point P4 comma 2 with respect to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Aims at to success super speed shortcut tips and tricks solution within fraction of seconds especially made for you. Now I wanted to write a given point px1 comma y1 is equal to 4 comma 2. Next the given circle can be written as S is equal to given circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3. So to find locate the position, our logic, you can follow my logic. If you wanted to find locate the position, you can find s11. Wherever you wanted to find s11, you can remember my logic. Put x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1. We get s11 is equal to 2 into x is x1 square plus 2 into y is y1 square minus 5 into x is x1 minus 4 into y is y1 minus 3. Next substituting x1 y1 values here, we get s11 is equal to 2 into x1 value is 4 whole square plus 2 into y1 value is 2 whole square minus 5 into x1 value is 4 minus 4 into y1 value is 2 minus 3. Next s11 is equal to 2 into 4 square, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 into 2 square, 2 2s are 4 minus 5 4s are 20 minus 4 2s are 8 minus 3. Next normal simplification, my dear students and friends. s11 is equal to 16 2s are 32, 16 2s are 32 plus 2 4s are 8 minus 20 minus 8 minus 3. See here, my dear students, plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. s11 is equal to 32 as it is, you can write. These two values are having negative symbol, you can write and add these two values 20 and 3, add kare to 23. 32 minus 23 is 32 minus 23 is 9. 9 is greater than 0. Now I am presenting the circle. This is a circle and point P4 comma 2 is outside the circle. Why? Because s11 is greater than 0. Now I am writing the last step. The given point P4 comma 2 is exterior of the circle. If you wanted to write exterior or outside, same meaning you will get. My dear students and friends, if you wanted to get like this type of more and more super speed shortcut tips and tricks solution made from aims date to success, you can see description box. It is in below. In description box so many super speed shortcut tips, tricks, solutions, topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise here. So you can go through those super speed shortcut tips, tricks, solutions. You will get 100% sure success, and you will save your time also. I wish you all the very best, my dear students and friends. Thank you so much. టు గెట్ సక్సెస్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. సబ్కా మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.